kind of urgency, the kind that won't wait. I say to